I've been with DLA for just over 8 years now. I was recommended to apply for a job at DLA because I'm in the Army National Guard, and one of the section warrant officers in my platoon at my guard unit works at DLA over in the test lab. I'm a UH-60 Blackhawk pilot. I have a great unit that I'm really proud to be a part of. I'm the program manager for organic manufacturing, which is another way of saying government manufacturing. Anytime that there's a struggle for a variety of reasons that we can't procure a part from private industry, we will go and procure it organically, AKA from the government organic industrial base. So these are Army arsenals, Navy shipyards, Air Force life cycle sustainment centers, and Marine Corps maintenance depots. All of those are facilities across the country that can do various levels of manufacturing on the local level based on the unison that we need. Maintenance is a huge driver in the Army aviation world, so when we are able to get things on time, it makes a really big deal, especially to the people that are turning wrenches and getting aircraft capable for flight. Seeing it from the supplier side of how much it matters of how quickly we can get quotes, we can get contracts established, we can set delivery dates, get things delivered to depots and issued out to warfighters. Each day just brings a different challenge that's exciting to attack and try to solve that problem rather than a little bit more of a mundane walk in and do the same thing every day. I like that it's not like that for me here.